Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean.
Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. It's a gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Happy almost Halloween. Let's take this off again, because I would like to see again, because currently I can't really see. Honestly, my problem is really easy to solve, because all I gotta do is this. Oh, my poor eyes. They were watering so much, and my phone is falling white. I actually really like how the mouth came out, because from far away, I can like... Oh, so cool. But I gotta take it off. Okay, wish me luck. Ow! I don't think it was fully dry either, which made it extra gross. Still got some teeth and cotton and whatever else I had on my face left. Undisclosed liquids. Ew. I just realized I had a filter on this whole time. Let's take it off. There we go. The crazy thing is that I'm moving in less than 12 hours, so this is actually the last makeup look I will ever film in my current apartment. Time flies and it's really scary. But I think whatever's happening on my face is probably a little more scary than that. But I am gonna go shower and I love you guys. Mwah, wish me luck with the move. Bye. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Obviously, there's no prosthetics on my face, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing a makeup print. Ooh. I'm gonna take my wig off, so bear with me while I look insane. My light just fell on my table and almost knocked over a full cup of water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna very lightly spray my face. That's good. That's just gonna help the makeup transfer better. Okay, let's go for it. We're going to take my lash off. Okay. Oh my god, let's go. This is what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles, but overall, success. I love the chest piece, but it's too big for any makeup wipe, so eh. But it is time for the nightmare fuel. Wait, first. This is so sad. I look like the moon emoji again. But I think I'm gonna need to take the rest of this off in the shower. Okay, objectively, this is not my favorite makeup look that I have done, but I still have to take it off. There are a lot of layers of tights on my face, and they're squeezing my head and squeezing out the last remnants of a brain cell that I have. I just used all the incorrect words to prove my point. Also, I got liquid latex on my shirt and now I have to throw out the shirt, which is really sad. Half of these things aren't like really coming off, so I'm just gonna go from the bottom. Oh. But of course, that's not it. Ow. Oh, is there latex in my eyebrow? I think there is. The light in my bathroom just turned on by itself and the fan turned on. There's no one in the bathroom, huh? And I just moved to a new apartment. I'm so happy that all my ghosts came with me and I have foundation in my hair. Ugh. Doing the makeup is always so much fun and I'm always so miserable when I take it off. Anyways, my skin is not really happy right now, but I am mostly clean.
Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
I was going for like a glam zombie, but I feel like it turned into a regular one instead of a glam one. I don't know what went wrong. I think I just forgot how to look pretty instead of scary. Let's take the filter up. Okay, not as cool anymore. I love my filters. I can't help it. Before I get my hands dirty, let's remove the contacts. I also cut off my nails, which I'm really sad about. I love sacrificing my lashes for makeup. Okay, where do I start? The eye, the eye, the eye. Not the eye, that really hurts. Wait, yes, the eye. It's fine. I gotta get it over with. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that's not my eye anymore. I'm gonna keep going. Never mind. Okay. Oh. Not bad. I kind of want to keep the teeth, but they don't seem very clean. I'm gonna throw them out. Also, I honestly can't believe that we're almost halfway through October. Why does time fly so fast and why does this water not stop? There we go. But this is it for this look and mwah, I hope you guys have the best day or night. Probably night. Mwah.
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this! Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. Get on ready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching.
Of course, chocolate never hurts. Like what? They're cocoa beetles from Zanzibar.
I want to be with my real mom and dad. I want you to let me go.
Is that any way to talk to your mother?
You aren't my mother.
Apologize at once, Coraline.
No.
I'll give you to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! What are you doing? Ow, that hurts! You may come out when you've learned to be a loving daughter.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Do any collectors want this? Because if you don't, I'm throwing it out. Where's my trash can? There it is. Boom. I really love how this makeup turned out, but at the same time, all of my hair, my clothes, my desk, my phone, everything that is in my vicinity is really, really sticky. But I still really love this. If any Hollywood zombie movies need more zombies, I'm like literally right here. Let's do the ASMR. My entire face is covered in everything. Oh. Ew. That was actually really easy. It's sticky. And of course, the nightmare fuel. Give me a second, yeah? And of course, the nightmare fuel. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I am mostly clean. Mwah. See you tomorrow.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh god. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower.
What's this?
This is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the snow?
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Make work your favorite. That's your favorite, okay?
Okay.
Work is your new favorite.
Fine.
It's time for the announcement.
Okay.
Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh my God! Santa here? I know him. I know him.
Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day, and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off.